This is a general overview of the IQ Companies record. To access this module, click on Companies in the left sidebar. You'll be presented with a list of companies that fit the criteria of the advanced search view. In this case, we're looking at all customers. If you'd like to create a new company, click the new icon and you'll be entered into an empty record. In this case, we'll be looking at an existing record. If we look at CCC customer, we'll see the general elements of a customer record: the customer name, addresses, people, and general information. IQ supports multiple addresses. If you double-click on any one of these bars, you'll be presented with the address, which is typically address 1, city, state, and zip. In addition to this basic information, we have site contact, service area, and sales tax. In addition, IQ supports what's called an address form. This is the ability to collect static information about the job site so that it can be referenced by the estimator and the field staff. General information such as dock phone, how long you need to advance a dock reservation, information about delivering to the site, elevator size, etc., is very beneficial and can be stored and accessed during quoting. IQ also supports unlimited people on a customer record. This is general information such as first and last name, phone, and email. Further down the screen, you'll see information and categories. The information is general information that can be applied to all records for this customer. If you have special pricing, you can apply that automatically when an order is created for the customer. If you know how they typically pay, whether PO or signed approval, you can set that as well. On the right, you'll see customer categories, which is a configurable list that allows you to categorize companies for reporting purposes. Further down the screen, you'll see that IQ has a salesperson record that designates the primary salesperson to the customer. IQ also supports multiple salespeople in case you have shared accounts. Finally, here at the bottom of the screen, you'll see the word participants. This is a participant team of potentially predefined people that serve consistent roles within a customer. If you know that Christina is typically the billing contact, then instead of having to choose her name every time you build an order, the system can set it for you. This rule also applies to internal roles such as designer or project manager. You'll see there are many other tabs in the customer record for IQ. These are deeper details that you would go into with customer support. And finally, down here in the final left, you'll see properties. The interesting thing at IQ is that we allow all companies to serve as all properties. For instance, a company could be a customer of yours, but also a manufacturer and a product vendor. If that were true, you could simply check all the buttons that apply, and they would land in all those databases as opposed to you building individual records for each one.